Okay, and we identify that if a point P is taken and the angle made by that point P is derived as pi by theta naught into theta. So now displacement of follower, that is x is defined as from the diagram. Can anyone tell what is the x value? Capital A and capital P is the point and beta is the angle turned by the point. The distance from the center O to point A is S by 2 and distance from the point P to the point A is x. Point A is x and this is B value. From the diagram you can define the x is equal to OA minus OB. So what is the OA value? By 2 minus OB will determine from the diagram. Okay. So now from figure triangle OP and this is the B value. So from O to B, the distance we don't know, this value. Okay. Now from P to B, distance we don't know. Now from O to P, this distance is equal to S by 2 and it is having an angle of beta. On this, cos beta is equal to, from this, cos beta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? OB divided by hypotenuse, that is OP. So OP is equal to S by 2. Cos beta is equal to OB by S by 2. OB is equal to S by 2 cos beta. Angular displacement. The angular displacement theta can be defined as the angular velocity omega is equal to the angular displacement by with respect to time t. Now from this, the angular displacement theta is equal to omega into t. Omega into t is equal to S by 2 minus S by 2 cos pi by theta naught into omega. Differentiate or take x by 2 as common from the equation. 1 minus cos pi by theta naught into omega t. Differentiate above equation with respect to time t. Dx by dt is equal to d by dt into s by 2 into 1 minus cos pi by theta naught into, so s by 2 is a constant value, s by 2 into d1 by dt 0 minus, so dt into cos pi by theta naught into omega t. So the value which is in the cos, you consider it as x. So differentiation of the cos, d cos theta minus sin pi by theta naught into omega t. Next, differentiation for the x. So what is that? Into pi by theta naught into omega dt by dt is 1. Therefore, the velocity v is equal to dx by dt is equal to s by 2 minus plus. So therefore, into sin pi by theta naught into omega t into pi omega by theta naught. We are simplifying this. Velocity v is equal to s by 2 into pi omega by theta naught sin pi omega t divided by theta naught is our velocity equation. So let it be the equation 2. Now differentiate equation 2 with respect to time t. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to time t. Then dv by dt is equal to acceleration, which is equal to that is a is dv by dt is equal to d by dt into s by 2 pi omega by theta naught sin pi omega t divided by theta. So if we are differentiating this equation, we are going to get what is the acceleration for the follower. Pi omega by theta naught into sin pi omega t by theta. So therefore, s by 2 is a common, pi omega by theta naught is a common value, and sin x differentiation. So cos of pi omega t by theta naught into x differentiation pi omega by theta naught. Pi omega by theta naught. So acceleration a is equal to s by 2 into pi omega by theta naught into pi omega by theta naught into cos pi omega t by theta naught. So a is equal to s by 2 pi omega by theta naught whole square into cos pi omega t by theta. Pi omega t by theta. So this equation is going to give the acceleration. Okay. Now when I am drawing the displacement diagram and velocity diagram, we identify that where there will be a maximum velocity and where there will be a maximum acceleration. Okay. So now from equation 2, velocity v is equal to v maximum when it will be happen. So velocity v is equal to v maximum, it will be happen only when sin pi omega t by theta naught is equal to sin pi by 2. So So the velocity v will be maximum if sin pi omega t by theta naught is equal to sin pi by 2. So that is pi omega t by theta naught is equal to pi by 2. So from this pi get cancelled. So that is theta omega t we can write as theta. Theta by theta naught is equal to 1 by 2. So theta is equal to theta naught by 2. At a value of theta is equal to theta naught by 2, at this point we can say that the velocity is maximum. So that is equation 2 implies that velocity v is equal to s by 2 by omega by theta naught sin pi omega t we can written as theta divided by theta naught. We determine what is the theta value. So v is equal to s by 2 pi omega by theta naught sin pi by theta naught into theta naught by 2. So theta naught by theta naught will cancel. So v is equal to s by 2 into maximum acceleration. A should be observing the diagram. The acceleration is maximum at the starting and ending of the strokes. Starting and ending of the strokes. That is, we are observing the plotted diagram here, and we are saying that this is the A maximum. This is the A maximum. So at what value of x, or that is base value, at what value of theta, we can say that the acceleration is maximum from the graph. Along y-axis, we are taking the displacement. Along x-axis, we are taking the degrees. And we are saying that the acceleration is maximum here. At what value of theta, the acceleration is maximum? At 0, here it is the starting point for the angular displacement measurement of the cam. At a starting point, this is maximum. The displacement of the cam theta is equal to 0. Okay. So at theta is equal to 0, A is equal to A maximum. So that is the equation 3. So equation 3 implies that A maximum is equal to s by 2 by omega by theta naught square into cos by omega t by theta naught. So omega t we can written as theta. So that is A maximum is equal to s by 2 omega by theta naught square into cos pi theta by theta naught. So theta is equal to 0.
1.
So that is
1.
cos 0
1.
1. So A maximum is equal to s by 2 by omega by theta naught square. So this is our the maximum acceleration value.